Hello everyone, welcome to Social Science. Today we are going to learn Civics Lesson 1 Understanding Diversity. In this lesson, you are going to learn what is diversity, diversities of India, acceptance of diversity, unity in diversity. Alright, what is diversity? A range of different people or things, or coexistence with a difference. Diversity can be many things. For example, dress, food, language, religion, culture. Dear children, in a classroom, nearly 50 students are there. No. Take a closer look. You can notice that they have different food habit. You may eat rice. Your best friend eats a meal of chapati and vegetables. Another eats puttu. These differences are not just in the food we eat. We differ from each other in many ways. We can speak different languages, follow different traditions, and pray in different places for worship. We are diverse. Diversity can be defined as coexistence with a difference. Even in our family, we have some difference between individuals. Okay, children, let us study diversity in India. Our country, India, is called a land of great diversity. This diversity can be seen in geography, religion, languages, food and dress, cultures, traditions, practice, and customs. Physical diversity or geographical diversity. Geographically, India has tall mountains like the Himalayas, forests, vast green fertile plains, and plateaus like Deccan. It has many rivers like the river Ganges and the river Narmada. It has long coastal plains and dry desert like the Thar Desert. It is surrounded by seas like Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. All these regions have different climatic condition, different vegetation, different animal living there, etc. While the mountains are covered with the snows, the deserts have very hot climate. These differences affect the lifestyle and occupations of the people who live in this region. Next, social diversity. The family is the most important group in society. Families can be classified as nuclear and joint families. Many families live peacefully together in a community. Social interdependence exists in a community. Whether it is a village, town, or a big city, people depend on each other for essential things like food, water, education, housing, electricity, etc. Although the customs, traditions, and eating habits of people living together may differ, social interdependence bind them together and allow them to live in harmony. Next, religious diversity. India is a secular country and the freedom of religion is one of the fundamental rights. Children, we have nearly 8 fundamental rights. It is one of them. All religions are treated equally in our country. Even though a majority of Indians belongs to Hinduism, India has a large number of people from different religions like Islam, Christianity, and Sikhims. We also have a small number of Jains, Buddhists, and Zoroastrians. As Indians, we may follow different religions, yet it is respect for every religion that has kept us united and together in difficult times. Next, linguistic diversity. There are many languages spoken in India. 22 Indian languages and English are recognized as the official languages. Beside Hindi, Tamil, English, Punjabi, Bengali, Telugu, Gujarati, Marathi, and Urdu also spoken. There are also hundreds of dialects spoken by Indians. A dialect is a spoken language without a script. These people they speak but they have no written script. For example, Konkani and Tulu are examples of a dialect. Next, cultural diversity. Culture is a way of life. It includes the clothes we wear, the food we eat, the language we speak, the customs and the traditions we follow. Also, our social habits, the music we listen to, etc. Indian culture is one of the oldest and most unique in the world. Cultural diversity in India can be seen in the large number of festivals celebrated across the country. Diwali, Pongal, Onam, Christmas, Ramzan, Navaratri, Buddha Purnima, and Mahavir Jayanti, etc., are celebrated by people from different religions with great joy and happiness. Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti are some of the national festivals. Music and dance are important part of Indian culture. There are classical as well as folk dances. Music, songs and dance are essential at all celebrations and festivals. Indians wear both traditional as well as western clothes. The styles vary from state to state and regions to region. Depending on the state you visit in India, each has its own traditional food. For example, North Indian eat roti, chapati like that. We South Indian prefer dosa, vada, idli, sambar, etc. Art and architecture are all part of our culture and have flourished in India from ancient times. The Taj Mahal, the Agra Fort, the paintings in Ajanta and Ellora caves, and the rock cut temples of Mahabalipuram are all examples of India's art and architecture. Unity in diversity. Though diversity is visible in every aspect of life in India, we are united by the spirit of patriotism. India as a multicultural society. Indians evolved as a single nation through common beliefs, customs, and cultural practice. The freedom struggle and the drafting of our constitution stands as ample evidence of the spirit of unity of India. Children, in this lesson we have studied the meaning of diversity, physical diversity, social diversity, linguistic diversity, cultural diversity, aspect and respect the unity in diversity.